Now, let's dive into a practical example. In this episode, we'll show you how to use Python's standard library to list all the files with the Mnova extension in a specific folder. This is a great way to see how Python can help you interact with your file system using just built-in modules. We'll write a simple Python script together and then run it in the Mnova Python console. Here's how we'll do it. First, we need to import the OS module. This module gives us all the tools we need to work with files and directories. Next, let's define our main function. This is where we'll put all our logic. Inside the main function, we want to find out where the script is located. We do this by getting the absolute path to the script's directory. Now, let's build the path to the data subfolder, which is where we'll look for all our Mnova files. We use os.path.join to make sure this works on any operating system. With the path ready, we can list all the files in that folder. We'll use a list comprehension to include only the files that end with .mnova. Finally, let's print out the list of Mnova files we found. And don't forget, at the end of the script, we need to tell Python to run our main function if this script is executed directly. Once you've finished writing the script, simply open the Mnova Python console, locate your script file, and run it. Instantly, you'll see a list of all Mnova files in your data folder displayed right in the console. This simple example demonstrates how powerful and flexible Python can be for automating routine tasks in your NMR workflow. By combining Mnova's capabilities with Python's standard library, you can streamline your data management and set the stage for even more advanced automation. Give it a try with your own data and see how easy it is to extend Mnova with just a few lines of Python code. Thanks for watching and happy coding.